Hey everyone, this is another video in our series on how to use profit to find good swing trade ideas. Now we are going to start going over some of the bearish trade ideas given at April 19th. So let's quickly go over TTD. Looking at the chart, we can see that this probably would be a good support level. Let's see what else we got. This would be a good support level as well, maybe not really good. And then let's see what the tool draws. The tool draws this level. Let's look at the trade idea. So this was posted right around here. So this was posted here, and it was a bearish trade idea. We can see that the price went down the next day. It opened at 695 and went down to 670. So that was a 25 dollar profit the very next day. But then we can see that after that day it has continued going up. It did face this resistance and now it's going back down again, but it has another support here. So this was an example where it only worked the next day, but after that the trade idea got a bit invalid. So again, I want to go over some of the bad examples as well, just to show you that the tool does fail sometimes. So that's TTD. Let's discuss DQ. Alright, so the DQ was given here. Again, the next day nothing happened. The next day we actually went up. Then we went up for 4 days. And this actually, what you would have done here is you can see a support here, and if the tool is saying that this is a bearish trade idea, then you need to wait before we actually break this support. So this would, you could have actually not gone into this trade idea based on the price action, because the price action is telling you to wait before we break the support. So we are still above this support here. So the next day you can't just go in right away, because there is a support right below the price. You should never go in if you find a resistance right above the price. You never go bullish at that point, and if you find a support right below the current price level, then you don't go bearish right away, you wait. So if we waited, we could see that we actually never went below the support level, neither here nor here. So this was something where you would not have entered at all. So again, these were two examples where the trade ideas did not work. I think the remaining ones worked very well. So I'm going to talk about them in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video.